Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're having a great day. For today's video, I'm really excited to share a new design team package that I received from Jesse James Beads, and it's full of the cutest buttons and beads and mixes. So cute. So first off, we have this little set here. It's Pixies and Posies, and how cute are these little pixies here? Just adorable. And the little flowers, beautiful colors. And this next set here is Mini Boutique with Minnie Mouse there and Daisy Duck and some cute little bows. So cute. Love it. And then here, this one is Marie, a little cat. I have a friend who loves Marie. So how adorable are these buttons? So cute. And then I've got little mini buttons here, tiny little heart buttons. These would be cute on projects or even in shaker mixes. So cute, and I love the colors, different shades of pink. And they also sent this set here in different shades of blue and like aqua colors, micro hearts in seafoam, and these, the color is sherbet. So cute. These here are some tourmaline flowers, blingy, and I love the hot pink. Really cute. And we've got tiny seashells for all of the beach projects, summer coming up. So cute, the little sand dollars, and we've got some glittered ones here. Really cute, and I love the sandy colors in different shades. Tiny seashells. And then these are the micro mini round flirt buttons. And these are truly itty bitty, tiny. These reminded me of my crafty stash. My friend Jeanette, she loves super tiny things. So these are so cute and tiny. And let me see, I have a couple more. This one here is the micro mini round in Glacier Lake and the blues. And we've got micro mini stars and Flirt. Lots of fun pastel colors. And then she sent this one. I'll have to open this one up. It says it's hand-dyed enamel chain. At first I was like, what is it? Is it a butterfly? But it's a chain. How fun is this? So pretty in this hot pink color. So I'll have to think of what to do with this beautiful chain. So there's that one. And we've got this one here. It's the Color Trends Bead Mix in Lavender Fields. And lately, I've been loving lavender lately. I just love this one here with like the tassels in a triangle shape. Lots of different beads. So pretty. I love this color. And then this one here, I was oohing and eyeing. It's Ice Cream Mini Bead Mixes in Strawberry Cream. And I think it's sealed. I should have opened it up before the video. But yes, it's taped shut. But it has some really cute ice cream charms. Some blingy little round beads. Can you see that? Let me see if I can zoom in or focus. And then I love the beads. They're like the milky, like the milk glass kind of beads in pinks and off-white. There's some bead caps in there and just different pearl beads. And like I said, those little ice cream charms. So cute. So I'm going to have so much fun with this one. I love the colors, the pink and gold and the creams in this. So pretty. So those are the beads and buttons that I received from Jesse James Beads. I'll link their information in the description box below, and I'll be sharing some projects using all of this fun, these fun little buttons and bead mixes. So thank you so much, Jesse James. I'm going to have so much fun using all of these cute beads. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.